But before going to the video, we are having few announcements here. And here we are having few new courses, master course for those who are into beginner and want to start their journey into bug bounty. You guys can definitely take a look at the master course. It's gonna be around 50 days with tons of content in it, so make sure you pause the video, check it out. Now to those who are not into bug bounty but want to level up their skills in a great amount, make sure you go to the elite one, because in this one it's completely hands-on. We have reported almost few bugs every session, so make sure to check this one out and level up your journey in the best possible way. And now for those into Android bug bounty, yeah, this one is for you. Definitely it's a recorded one, you can watch it at your own pace. But and also this one is the recording of a live course, so you are gonna get tons of content. And make sure you also take a look at this particular part. And tip, JS code review. As you guys know how important a source code review would be, this is gonna be having a lot of details into him, lot of labs, lot of resources in it. So make sure you pause the video and take a look at the syllabus. And I guess that was for it. All the links are shared in the description, so make sure to check them out and get your discount. Hi guys, welcome back to another CVE breakdown video. And yes, in this particular one, we are gonna be taking a look at 2025-30208. Specifically, it's a LFI. So it was in one of a collaboration with few students. We were hunting together and we found it. So I'm gonna explain it in detail. Also gonna show you a report. So yeah, let's start. So it's in the white server. Initially, if you can add specific characters like question mark raw, import raw, this type of things to bypass the limitations, and then you can try to get whatever you want. Specifically, I can say etc password or any other file you want. And the affected versions are this one, 6.2.3, 6.1.2, and these few ones. Okay, I'm not gonna speak all of them, you can google it out. Also, I'm gonna give some links to exploit, so make sure you guys check all of them out. And now let's take a look at the report. So here is the report, security vulnerability report LFI CVE-2025-30208. Now as you guys can see, arbitrary file read via white dev server at that fs handler, CV severity I gave medium, I don't know why, either way. Oh yeah, as you guys can see, we have reported with the students here, all of their names are here. Now it's a front-end build development tool which is having the specific affected versions, having a malform query like raw or import raw, and I can access anything I want. And here as you can see, navigate to the particular URL. Now see, that's not the actual URL, it is having a /etc/password question mark raw, so you can access them. Alright, now have a look at this particular, now you can have a look at the particular POC photo here. As you can see, I'm just giving the question mark raw and this type of things, and I can access the complete etc password file. It is as simple as that. Also there are nuclear templates for it, I'll also mention that type of things too, so you don't have to worry about either of them. Also we also have few custom tools or exploit that we found during that particular learning sessions. I'll also drop all of them out. Alright, and that's a small breakdown of this particular CV. You guys can try to find it in the mass, and that's really easy to find. So that was for the video. Thanks for watching. All the links I said I will be available in the description, so make sure to check all of them out, and see you guys in the next video.